Hey ladies, in this video we're going to be talking about how to change your Sephora delivery address. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So to change a Sephora delivery address, you can't actually just go ahead and change it after the order. What you need to do is cancel the order and then replace it by changing your address. So act quickly. Usually within 1 hour of placing the order, simply go ahead and cancel it through my orders, and that is done inside of me purchase history, and then select the order that you want to cancel and click on cancel. Once you've done that, simply head to your account setting one more time and then head into saved addresses to add new address for future orders. If that doesn't work and if you don't have time to do all that, then you can simply call their customer service, which is 877-737-4672. Again, 877-737-4672. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.